Hello, my name is Brenda and this project is called Information Governance, and it's a PowerPoint about information governance in healthcare. Protecting health information for integrity is part of health information governance. It also includes protected policies and standards in health integrity management. It is also protected by privacy and confidentiality through health integrity standards and management of the data. Health information governance has to do with integrity, providing confidentiality for the health information from the provider to the patient through healthcare standards. Patient access must be authorized by the patient for the purpose of accessing the record and giving out information. Governing practices are legal practices within state requirements that govern the record. Compliance. Audit trails get compliance standards in order for the protection of health integrity for the purpose of the best standards of all time. Compliance is also the information in the record that contains information that is protected by consents and audit trails. Compliance and information management have to do with being subject to legal and regulatory control, such as coding requirements, security access requirements, and transaction audits. Information management is about documentation specialists who also enlist in the help of health information management managers to ensure the documentation is applicable to the standards of care that provide accountability from the physician and other departments within the facility. Information management is the best way to enhance quality of care through documentation management by establishing proper protocol within the organization through a documentation system. It is best to ensure this by getting good employees that understand the law in their state and understand the policies that govern their jurisdiction within the state.